now with the real Beverly Hills Cops, with the popular movie franchise featuring Kana Whitworth. Is returning.
She's on it?
I was going to say.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
she's not. But we know what you meant.
We know it, right? We're going to just go straight to Kana Whitworth.
It's another beautiful day here in Beverly Hills.
What brings you back to 90210?
This morning, Eddie Murphy is back, returning to Beverly Hills as fast-talking cop Axel Foley for the first time in 30 years in the new movie, Beverly Hills Cop, Axel F.
I didn't realize that you couldn't really fly helicopters. Otherwise, I would have came up with a different idea. I told you it was a bad idea. You know, this is very embarrassing. You know, part of me rather get locked up than get put in this little Fisher-Price-looking squad car.
With smash and grabs and crime tourism hitting cities across the country, we got an exclusive inside look at how the actual Beverly Hills Police Department is going high-tech to combat crime.
Tell criminals, if you come to Beverly Hills, we will catch you.
The department using drones equipped with thermal imaging and thousands of cameras to monitor the 5-square-mile city.
What you're looking at here, which is comprised of around 2,500 live cameras and a drone feed as a first responder, and also a live 911 system in addition to our license plate reader cameras.
Those license plate readers scanning every car as it drives into the city limits, and last year helped them apprehend a suspected serial killer.
He came into Beverly Hills, was immediately picked up by our automated license plate reader. A drone was overhead within 35 seconds, identified the vehicle, brought officers in, and safely apprehended him.
Move!
And seen here in this recently obtained police video, Beverly Hills PD surround 2 criminal suspects from Nevada as they leave a nearby grocery store.
This particular drone has a 200 times zoom lens, so we can read a license plate from about a quarter mile out.
But this technology comes with a price tag.
Is this technology somewhat out of reach for other smaller departments that don't have the kind of budget that you have?
No, I don't think so. The technology is a multiplication effect, and a lot of departments can't hire enough police officers, so they can take some of that funds and use the technology, especially in high crime areas.
Other law enforcement agencies looking to this department as a testing ground.
We've had over 200 agencies visit this center, federal, state, local, military, to come see what we're doing, and that's why I think we're setting the trend in the future of policing.
In order to keep this famous zip code safe, Beverly Hills PD has a drone in the sky. It's called Hawkeye, and it's in the air 7 days a week, 12 hours a day, taking almost 400 flights every single month.
And we get a first-hand look at some of the technology outfitting their police cars. In order to avoid ground pursuits that can be a danger to the community, BHPD turns to Star Chase, firing a GPS device onto a suspect's vehicle.
Nailed it. Stuck right on the back.
And they can track it for hundreds of miles. And though their movie counterparts may be far from reality,
Axel, stay safe.
Yeah, okay.
these officers aren't too bothered by their infamous Beverly Hills Cop portrayal.
It's always fun to, take a little bit of a lighter approach to law enforcement. It's a pretty heavy job.
For Good Morning America, Kana Whitworth, ABC News, Los Angeles.
And watch for Kana's cameo in the movie.